So you've made the commitment to get started with windscreen repair, but you don't know which windscreen repair system to choose. Say no more. We're here to help you choose the right windscreen repair system for you. So I'm going to give you a quick comparison of what we recommend. Let's start with our mini mobile system. This system comes with the bare basics and enough supplies to do at least 50 repairs. It has our Ignite LED UV light and our aluminum screw type B150 bridge. The bridge is easy to use and can repair any type of damage on laminated glass. Now, take a moment to watch the B150 work its magic on this damage. Now let's step it up and check out our Mobile Pro Plus system. This system has a custom foam-fitted toolbox, enough supplies to do at least 100 repairs, our easy-to-use B250 windscreen repair bridge, and an Elite Plus LED UV light. The Elite Plus is one of a kind. It has a rechargeable built-in battery pack and can be powered in 12, 120 and 240 volt. Now let's top it off with the Mobile Pro system. This system has a plethora of additional equipment that's not included with any other windscreen repair system we offer. You get a hood protector, a moisture evaporator, and enough supplies to do at least 200 repairs. It's a double bridge system, so you get two of our world-renowned B250 bridges. Now let's take a moment to see how easy it is to use the windscreen repair bridge. Did you know Delta Kits is the preferred choice of technicians worldwide? Our windscreen repair systems are highly respected for their quality, affordability, durability, and ease of use. Every windscreen repair system comes with everything necessary to complete a professional windscreen repair. Also, all our systems come with a training video, training manual, we offer unlimited technical support and hands-on training. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact us.